Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of removing sound from a video in Capcut. Now, let's dive right into it. Alright, here we are in Capcut, and I have a test video with some audio that I want to mute. Let me quickly play the sound for you.
Today, we're delving into the process of changing your Reddit username.
Remove sound from a video in Capcut is to tap on the video, scroll along the bottom tools until you find the volume option, and tap on it. You'll see a volume adjustment tool where one end is 0, and the other is 1000. Simply slide it all the way to 0, press the tick at the bottom right, and voila! The sound has been removed. Let's play it back to confirm. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to remove sound from a video in Capcut.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.